Good morning, students. Today we will learn to draw the structure of mammalian tooth. Internal structure of mammalian tooth. We will draw a incisor today. So let us start. Like this. Now just see. Some part of the tooth is above the gum and some part of tooth is below the gum. So these are the gums. Now this part of tooth which is above the gum, which is visible to us, is called the crown. So this whole thing which is above the gum and is visible to us is called the crown. And the part of tooth which is below the gum and is not visible to us is called the root. Crown is above the gum and root is below the gum. Part of tooth which is below the gum is not visible to us. It is called the root. Now the crown is covered by a protective layer which is called the enamel. Enamel, it is protecting the tooth and it is the hardest substance in our body. Hardest substance, harder than the bone, is tooth enamel. Tooth enamel is a layer which is giving protection to the tooth. So this is enamel. Now below the enamel, this part which is forming the bulk of the tooth, right? So we can show it like this. This part of the tooth which is below the enamel and is forming the bulk of the tooth is called the dentine. So this region is the dentine. Got it? Dentine is below the enamel and it is basically forming the bulk of the tooth. Maximum part of the tooth is being formed by this dentine region. So this is dentine. Dentine is harder than bone, but it is not as hard as enamel. Got it? Now this dentine is having these strands. These are minute canals which are present in the dentine region, and through these minute canals or strands the cytoplasm of the cells it is running into the pulp cavity. Central region is the pulp cavity. So cytoplasm strand, they are running through these small canals which are present in the dentine region, right? So these are various canals, minute canals which are present in the dentine region. And the cytoplasmic the cytoplasm of the pulp, this is the central region, is the pulp. We will learn about it. So the cytoplasmic strands, they are running through these small minute canals which are present in the dentine region. Got it? Let us see the pulp cavity. Now central region of the tooth, it is forming the pulp cavity. Now in this pulp cavity is present the pulp. Pulp is basically formed of various nerve fibers, blood vessels. It is the soft connective tissue which is present in the central region of the tooth. So this whole thing is a pulp cavity which is containing this pulp, right? So this is our pulp region, central pulp. Right? Now see again, this is the pulp. Pulp is a soft connective tissue which is present in the central cavity, that is called the pulp cavity of the tooth. Right? Now this pulp consists of blood capillaries. There may be blood capillaries which are providing nourishment to the tooth. Lymph vessels may be present, and even nerve fibers are present in the central pulp cavity of the tooth. That is why we get the tooth pain, because the nerves are present in the pulp region of the tooth. Got it? Now, fixing the tooth in position. The tooth is not moving inside our mouth. It is fixed in its position, right? So, it is because of the presence of the cement, right? There is a tissue, and let us just draw it. So this way you can see cement is another bone-like structure which is covering and fixing the tooth, the root of the tooth, in position. Got it? So this part this is the cement region. It is a cement. Cement is something, the structure which is holding the tooth in position. The tooth is not moving, right? It is fixed in its position because of the presence of this structure which is called the cement. So this is the cement. Now you can show the jawbone. So this is the jawbone. Right? So you can label. This is the jawbone. Right? Now this is the crown which is above the gum, and this is the root which is below the gum. The slight constriction between the root and the crown is called the neck. This slight constriction, division which is dividing the crown from the, separating the crown from the root, is the neck region. Right? So this is all about the structure of mammalian tooth, children. Let us see again. We have is the outermost, toughest, hard covering which is giving protection to the tooth, which is called the enamel. Enamel is the hardest substance in the body. Below the enamel we have is this dentine. This dentine is forming the bulk of the tooth. Dentine is harder than bone, but it is not as hard as the animal. Dentine has minute canals, right? You can see these minute canals are present in the dentine region, and these minute canals, through these minute canals run the strands of cytoplasm of the cells in the pulp cavity, right? The cytoplasm is running through these minute canals, right? Then we have is central region, which is the pulp. Pulp is the soft connective tissue which is present inside the central cavity called the pulp cavity. Now this pulp, it is consisting of the blood vessels, lymph vessels, nerve fibers. All these things are present in the pulp. Because of the presence of the blood vessel, the tooth is getting the nourishment. And because of the presence of the nerves, we can feel the sensation in our tooth, right? Okay. Then we have is the cement. Cement is bone-like structure. It is another structure which is helping in fixing the tooth in position, right? It is fixing this tooth in position. The tooth is not moving inside our mouth, so it is being fixed in position with the help of this cement. Cement is structure which is holding and fixing the tooth in the position, right? Then we have shown the gum. We have shown the crown. Crown is the part of the tooth which is above the gum, and root is the part of the tooth which is below the gum. The slight constriction, the division, the area which is dividing the crown from the root, the slight constriction is called the neck. So this is all about the structure of mammalian tooth, children. Thank you.